The recurring aerial image of Asian and African conflicts for the past 40 years, the aging design is a multifunctional platform used by countless nations and paramilitary groups. Mi-24 to helicopters is what AKM is to assault rifles. A Cold War goes hot classic with an incredible staying power. Being an attack transport helicopter hybrid, it is far larger than the succeeding designs. The South African Rooivalk is based on French Aerospatiale SA-330 Puma. As such, the design is highly dependent on French technology and spare parts. With a bold intention on manufacturing one of the best attack helicopters globally, Daniel Aviation succeeded in producing an aircraft on par with its rivals. A joint Franco-German development, the Tiger is the second and the most recent attack helicopter to emerge from Western Europe. With more than 180 units produced, it is the most successful and widespread European design. A Turkish modernization of the Agusta A129 Mangusta, the T-129 shares only the fuselage with its Italian counterpart. The internals are proprietary Turkish technology with upgraded avionics, airframe and weapons. Around 60 units are in service today, with the capability to build 32 more if deemed necessary. The American Viper is a third-generation descendant of the venerable Bell AH-1 Cobra, the predecessor of all modern attack helicopters. The U.S. Marine Corps asset traces its lineage back to 1965. The latest model in the class-defining design, the Viper proves to be a competent and long-lasting platform. The newest Russian attack helicopter is supplementing the iconic Mi-24 and the unique Ka-50 series. With exceptionally long development time, from the first flight to introduction having passed 27 years, the Rooivalk has finally shaped itself into an all-around efficient design. The U.S. Army's workhorse, the Apache, is the most numerous and widespread attack helicopter of the Western world and its allies. As of 2020, over 2,400 were built for the U.S. and its partners, including Israel, the United Kingdom, Japan, South Korea, and others. Probably the most unique attack helicopter in service today, the Ka-52 is a widely unconventional design with tandem, side-by-side seating, ejection seats, dual contra-rotating main rotors, and no tail blades. It is one of the most maneuverable helicopters of any kind in the world today. The Italian A129 is the first attack helicopter to be manufactured in Western Europe. The lightest one among its global counterparts, the Italian design was reshaped following the end of the Cold War. As NATO did not intend to face Soviet armor onslaught anymore, the aircraft was simplified ballistic protection lightened.